Maggotty High is represented by Kamal Gray, Kamaya Campbell, Christine Vassell, and Tajani Brown. Titchfield High is represented by Romaine Smith, Orlando Lee, Quayne Smith, and Alex Anderson. Hello everyone. Welcome to the second match in this quarterfinal series. Titchfield High won the opening match to take a 1-0 lead in the series, and another win tonight will send them into the semi-finals. But if Maggotty High wins tonight, the series will be locked 1-1 and poised for a scintillating deciding match. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. The quarterfinalists have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move into the semi-final round? This is the opening challenge, and in the section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss, and I believe Titchfield won, and they decided to go first. So we begin with Titchfield High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock. Titchfield, we begin with general knowledge. Which country consumes the most chocolate per capita?
Switzerland.
Correct. Maggotty, general knowledge. Which country is the highest exporter of cocoa beans?
Ethiopia.
No, the Ivory Coast. International affairs for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Togo.
Correct. International affairs, Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Somalia.
Correct. Jamaican heritage, Titchfield. What is the English translation of the phrase, "I saw we steer"?
That is how we are.
Correct. Jamaican heritage for Maggotty. What is the English translation of "I saw it go"?
That's how it goes.
Yes. Geography for Titchfield. Which country has the largest freshwater reserves in the world?
Canada.
Incorrect. Brazil. Geography for Maggotty. Which country has the most rivers in the world and is called the land of the rivers?
Canada.
Incorrect. Bangladesh. Music for Titchfield. Listen to the clip. Identify this group.
The Temptations.
Incorrect. Chicago. Music for Maggotty. Listen to this clip. Identify the group.
ABBA.
Correct. Biology for Titchfield. What is the outermost boundary of a cell separating the cell from its external environment called?
Cell membrane.
A wall.
Cell membrane.
Cell membrane.
Correct. Biology for Maggotty. What is located in the cytoplasm of a cell with its main function being to modify, package, and export proteins?
Golgi body.
Golgi body.
Yes. Theatre and cinema for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
John Ritter.
Incorrect. Paul Mescal. And theatre and cinema for Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Enrima Tata.
Incorrect. Jimon Honsu. And French for Titchfield. What does the verb féliciter mean?
To congratulate.
Correct. And French for Maggotty. What does the verb belayer mean?
To argue.
No, to sweep. Sports for Titchfield. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Nicholas
Puran.
Correct. Sports for Maggotty. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Wayne Cruz.
Incorrect. That is Travis Head. Art for Titchfield. Which Dutch artist created the 19th century work Almond Blossoms?
Vincent van Gogh.
Correct. Art for Maggotty. Which French artist created the 19th century work Day of the God?
Pagagon.
Yes, and Bible knowledge for Titchfield. What was the first church in Asia to which letters were written as recorded in the book of Revelation?
Alright, we are calling something like Ephesus.
Nice.
Ephesus.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Maggotty. What was the third church in Asia to which letters were written as recorded in the book of Revelation?
Pergamos.
Pergamos.
Correct. Chemistry. And that's it. That's the end of the opening challenge. And the scores are Maggotty High on 6, Titchfield High on 8. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Quarterfinal action in Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.